Hello everyone, welcome to Code Speaks. In this video, we'll see how to install VLC multimedia in our local system. So we all know that VLC multimedia is one of the most popular video playing systems to play videos in your local systems. To install VLC media in your local systems, just go to your Google Chrome browser. Just search for VLC download. Just click on enter. You will get 10 different types of links on your web pages. Just click on official download of VLC media. Just click on that. You will directed into the official website of Videoland VLC player. Just go to this VLC section, download sessions, and you will get it to download VLC. Just click on this drop down box over here. Just click on that. Select your operating systems. In this case, my operating systems is Windows, and my byte is 64 byte. Or in you are using any kind of operating system like Mac OS or Linux or Android, you can choose any of these one of kind. No issues in that. I'm choosing Windows 64-bit because my system is Windows and my bytes are 64 bytes. So just I will click on that, and in a few minutes or few seconds the download will be get started in our local systems. Yeah, you have seen that the system have been downloaded over here. We will wait for a few minutes so that it can download it, and we are ready and good to go to install in your local system. In our local system, just click on this icon of folder system over here. Just click on that so that we can know that where our file is stored in our local systems. Here the downloaded file have VLC player have been stored here. Just double click on that. After double clicking on that, it will ask you have permission whether to install the software in your systems or not. Just click on yes, so that it directed into your systems. Here we will get permissions of your language. In this case I will select English language. Just click on OK. Just it is an user interfaces of welcome to your VLC media player setups. Just click on next over here. Now this is the documents of VLC player or ugly license agreement. Just click on next over here. Just click on next over here, so that it is a default version of VLC player. This is the area or file where the file is stored in your local systems. It will be differ from your system to my systems. Just click on install over here. Now you can see that the VLC player is going to install in your local system. Let's wait for few minutes. Yeah, the installation have been successfully installed. Just click on finish over here, so that the VLC player is completely installed in your local systems. Just it is a private and network policies of VLC multimedia. Just click on continue over. Just click on this two checkbox whether your checkbox is tick mark or not. Just allow this to click box over here. Just click on continue. In this way you can install VLC multimedia in your local systems. Now you can play any kind of audio or video of your local systems in this way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.